morning, welcome to a taste test adventure. I'm Chris, aka Big C. Today I'm at Starbucks. I'm going to attempt to try this cloud macchiato thing. I know it's big on social media and stuff, so we'll see what happens. Should be interesting. So one thing I've learned the hard way, this is a drink you need to drink very quickly. As you can see, my drink is half gone because all the foam that you saw when I first clip it dissolved. Now normally I don't drink or try any of the food you see on the show beforehand. I actually wait because I want to get my first initial reaction. This I had to try the foam because I knew it probably wasn't going to survive until I made it to my initial destination, and it didn't. So I already tried the foam. Let me drink the drink, see how it is. Bottoms up. It's a pretty good caramel macchiato. To be honest, I don't think this is a good value because half the drink is foam. I mean, the foam was tasty, don't get me wrong, but like, unless you drink it immediately, it dissolves and you don't get anything back. Like, you get some of the flavor in the actual drink, but it goes away really quickly. So I would honestly say if you're looking for a caramel macchiato, just get a caramel macchiato, because the cloud one, just half of it's foam, and the foam goes away very, very quickly. So I mean, it's not bad, but if you're looking for a drink that's going to get you the most for your money, which you probably shouldn't be going to Starbucks if that's the case, this is not the drink for you. Still tasty though. Anyway, that's going to do it for this taste test adventure. Hope you enjoyed it. Look for plenty more coming soon. And I'll see you next time on BigCTV. Bye.